Okay.
Oh, no. I was gonna warn you about that. Like, you have to sip it.
You didn't warn me.
I'm sorry.
Now we've got 2 coffee spills in here.
They're both your fault. First ever Irish blend. Irish blend coffee.
Have you tried this one before?
Yes, it's my favorite one. Are you going next or am I in?
You're next. I'm gonna need to mentally prepare for that.
All right. Well, I came prepared.
Well,
Nick right now is riding in a C6 Z06 that is pro-charged and on meth, making over 900 wheel horsepower. It's pretty fast. We're down in Lake Charles taking a business trip. We're all getting test rides. This is making just as much power as Gavin's Mustang, but it's Corvette, so it's gonna be a good bit faster. Are you ready for it?
I'm not even sure.
Are you gonna ride in it?
I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure I'm riding it, but no, I'm not ready for it.
We're gonna go over there and yeah, I guess we're gonna just ride in it. That's the only thing I have planned for this.
That's a big loss. On a scale of 1 to, I just met myself.
How was it?
That bitch.
This took a beating, damn. That's your secret. Yeah. Spray paint. I just spray painted about 30% of my car. I thought you were actually about to pull out like some kind of plaster and show me something cool, but I mean, that's not much of a secret.
No disrespect, it's actually.
What kind of paint is that?
It's not really paint.
Yeah, that looks different.
Undercoat.
Oh, it's undercoat.
It's actually more durable.
Oh, okay. So you're actually upgrading it.
Yeah, look.
So, yeah,
Oh.
it is a special secret, man.
Yeah.
You know that?
It's like, oh, that is a secret. You're right. Yeah.
Just rhino line or splitter, right? Yeah. Yeah.
You're just scratching. I was curious if he was going to try and start it while I was up like that. That's not good for oil.
Well, I was telling him that's why my dash looks like that, because it creates a vacuum at about 160.
I didn't even notice that. Hold on.
That's what happens at 160 with the windows down.
So y'all went 160 in here?
Man, I done been 175 in this thing.
Oh, good God.
Yeah.
You ever thought about getting a cage in here?
Yeah, I need to.
I think it's nuts that you can hear the supercharger in here. I'm not used to that. I think Corvettes are like the only cars that I'm comfortable going that fast because they ride so well. That's smooth.
That's smooth.
I don't know. It's a lot different. I'm used to pulling in Gavin's car, but like his, it's not very aero, so like it'll sway and it's on bias splice too. So it's like it's a little bit sketchy. But like this is.
That was 130.
Yeah, I was trying to watch it. That was, I don't know. I don't really have a way to describe that.
Quick and smooth. And
I always forget Corvettes don't have the like nasty aggressive torque. They have a lot. It's a much more linear power band, so they're like it's a lot more refined. Oh yeah, Justin's gonna scream like a little girl. I talked to him a little bit while we were in the car. This is actually a Texas speed-built motor, 11-to-1 compression, 7-liter, made to handle about 1,500 horsepower. But he has it turned down to about 900 at the moment, so that way, you know, it doesn't blow up. That's not an easy fix. an unexpected guest. Oh boys is here.
I love you.
What?
I love you.
I love you too, man.
Forgot you haven't heard this thing yet.
Hey. Oh, don't die.
I will not.
You gonna be okay?
I'll have a seatbelt on.
Seatbelt's not gonna save you. I swear, this has to be like the most inconvenient placement ever. I can't even lean forward. Push your elbows on your knees, you know, usually you get pretty comfortable, but nope, it's not working. How was it?
It was that was the most awesome thing.
Yeah?
I was like, whoa, whoa, whoa! Like just leaning all the way back. It was freaking awesome. It is a bad bitch. Like I am on this.
Y'all were gone for a long time. Did he convince you to go around other places?
I took him on another spot I wasn't thinking about, but I think we'll go down next.
I was about to call you. I thought you got arrested or something. That's about all we're doing with the Corvette right there, but I got a little bit of a surprise coming later. Where am I sitting? Middle? All right, well, that's cool then.